Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Cook pasta according to package directions. Melt butter in a medium saucepan. Add garlic. Cook for 1 minute over medium heat. Add flour and cook for an additional minute, stirring constantly. Add milk and broth, stirring constantly. Add parsley and Parmesan cheese. Pour sauce over pasta and serve. The 19th of January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This white sauce, also known as bechamel sauce, is one of France's 4 mother sauces, and it's a perfect complement to many dishes. Pair it with vegetables. Turn it into a creamy casserole or ladle it over seafood or sliced chicken.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 1 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup white wine, optional, 1 pinch kosher salt, more to taste, 1 pinch white pepper, or black pepper, more to taste, 1 pinch freshly grated nutmeg, optional. The 1st of October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heavy cream is better suited to when you need a thickener in a soup or sauce, or a thicker whipped cream filling. Whipping cream, however, is better for a light topping on desserts. Whatever you're making, heavy cream and whipping cream will add the perfect touch.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can add a variety of ingredients to a basic white sauce to transform it into something more flavorsome, such as chopped parsley, grated cheese, white wine, cooked chopped mushrooms, cooked onions and so on.
Let's help you make your mark.
This white sauce is also known as bechamel sauce and has its origin in French cuisine. Classic bechamel sauce is made with butter, flour and milk. For this pasta, I add cream and this pasta is super cheesy and creamy, just like my family likes it. So this sauce is kind of a mix between Alfredo and bechamel. 11 December 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.